என்னோட பேர் குஷ்பு and I was Miss Face of South 2019 and I'm really ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருக்கேன் இந்த ஒரு ஈவெண்ட்டுக்கு பார்ட்டாக இருக்கிறது and this is just state finale and they are going to conduct this for 8 other states and 8 statesலேருந்து ஒரு finalized அவங்க select பண்ணிட்டு then they are going to have the grand finale in March. So really excited and looking forward to this event and happy to be part of it. Thank you.
And today we are here at FEMME, like the Pride of India 2021, and it's an all-state event. So today we are here for this Tamil Nadu, and I believe it's going to happen in 8 more states, and they're going to select contestants from the 8 other states together, and a finale will be happening, and the finalists will be selected based on that. I'm so happy that I'm one of the jury member today, and thank you so much the FEMME team for giving me this beautiful opportunity today. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Prithvi. I was FEMME Miss Face of South runner-up 2019, and இன்னைக்கு வந்து I saw a lot of potential in modeling, a lot of people who did crazy well, and I'm so glad to be back. ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருந்தது நம்ம ஊர்ல இவ்ளோ talent பார்க்கிறதுக்கு. So I'm very excited to know how they're going to do in the national finale and bring the cup home, and I'm very excited to see how it's going, and thank you so much for having me over here.
Hi, hello, good evening everyone. This is Nishana Jumuddin. I was Miss India International Kerala 2019 and an assistant professor at Hindustan University. So இன்னைக்கு இந்த ஃபெமையில் ஒரு ஜூரியாக வரதுக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருக்குது. இட்ஸ் அ pan India ப்ரோக்ராம். ஸோ across India in multiple states இந்த காம்படிஷன் நடந்துட்டு தான் இருக்குது. ஸோ ஒவ்வொரு ஸ்டேட்லேருந்து they'll choose the best and the most talented participants, and அவங்களுக்கு ஒரு நல்ல ஒரு வாய்ப்பு it will be given to them. And இங்கே பார்த்தினாக்கா in Tamil Nadu it was an amazing show because I could see a lot of people, both boys and girls, அவ்வளோ கான்ஃபிடென்ட்டாக ஈவன் தோ டி நாட் நோ ஃபேஷன் ஆர் டி நாட் நோ மாடலிங் ஆல்சோ கற்றுக்கணும்னு ஒரு ஆசையோட பசங்க வராங்க. ஸோ அது பார்க்கும்போது ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருக்குது. டு பி அ பார்ட் ஆஃப் திஸ் டீம் வித் so many other people as a jury was indeed a great pleasure. I should thank Sonali for really coming out with this FEMME Mr., Miss and Mrs. Pride 2021. I hope this will be a grand success and this will change the face of fashion. I hope this is really going to redefine fashion as ideas, values and utilities. I wish the team a very best from my end and thank you so much.
Hi, ellarkum vanakkam. Press and media ellarkum vanakkam. My name is Gopinath and I'm very glad to be part of a jury panel for FEMME's Miss, Mrs. and Mr. Pride of India in association with GR Events. And this is an event across the India that is to be held in 8 states. And the finale is with all the finalists of all the states. And I'm very excited to see all the models with great positive energy. And I wish Sonali Jain and Kashish Jain very best. And I hope this event is going to be a big success. Thank you very much.
Very good evening. This is Ayush Gupta, winner of Season 1 FEMME 2019. And this is Season 3, loving the potential of the kids, loving how South India, that is Tamil Nadu, is growing in terms of fashion. Kids are coming up, new faces, new talent, new potential. I wish all the kids a lot of luck, a lot of potential, and may South India grow and nourish in this field and become the next Mumbai. Take care, bye-bye and good night.
It was simply amazing. I love how this organization is presenting new opportunities to everybody, redefining the definition of fashion, redefining the definition of beauty. I came last year, the show was amazing. I came this year, the show was amazing. And I'm probably going to be coming next year as well. Thank you.
Choreographer for this. This is my very first show. Our choreographer வந்து ஸ்டேட் லெவலில் பண்ணது. ஸோ ஐ விஷ் த ஹோல் டீம் சக்ஸஸ். சொனாலி மேம்க்கும் எல்லாருக்கும் சரி. ஸோ ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட். கண்டஸ்டன்ஸ் மும்பைக்கு கண்டிப்பாக நானும் போவேன். ஸோ ஐம் வெயிட்டிங் டு see them. Thank you.
Good evening, this is Sonali Jain and Kashish Jain, the director and founder of FEMME. FEMME is in a fashion pageant for female, male, transgender, Mr., Miss and Mrs. இப்போ பண்ணுறது வந்து நாங்கள் வந்து Mr., Miss and Mrs. Pride of India. Pride of India, of course, they are talented and they are also beauty. It's beauty with brain. So male and female எல்லாருக்கும், so youngstersக்கு ஒரு ரைட்டான பார்த்து to get into the fashion industry, film industry, web series. ஏன்னா தேடும் போது it is difficult to find the talent. So we are just finding the talent in all the cities. இப்போ எல்லாரும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா right now அவங்களுக்கு ரிசல்ட்ஸ் அனௌன்ஸ் பண்ணல. ஸோ எல்லா 8 சிட்டிஸ்லேயும் கான்டெஸ்ட் பண்ணிவிட்டு we will see who is able to represent அந்தந்த ஸ்டேட்டு, and then we will be having a grand finale which is at March 19, 20 and 21. So this is what the concept we have come up with to give an exposure to the upcoming generation who wants to take it forward. So we thank everybody for being with us, like Radio City, Norwood, and all of them who's been with us for a long time.
This is your first event or?
No, this is FEMME is doing the 4th edition. The first one was Face of South, the second one was Mr. Miss and Mrs. Hindustan, third one was Junior Face of South, and fourth is Mr. Pride of India.
What about your next event?
Then,
Any in Chennai or other states?
no, we'll finish off Pride of India. That will just take our 1.5 month to complete. We had 4,000 contestants. We have cut down to 500 with all the 8 cities. And out of that 500, we'll go to a 50. That will be only 50, top 50. And from that top 50 will be top 333. So that's a long journey. We soon have an award function, which we will be intimating shortly. Thank you so much to the media.